What's up, BattlBox? Today we're gonna cook a burger on a swivel grill. Happy Memorial Day. This joker folds down smaller than my self-esteem, burns harder than my love life. Let's make a fire. Just feeding the frogs. A shovel right here can bury more turds than a caterpillar. Hole dug. All right. Cheese grater is in full effect. I love this thing. Between this, Smith's little tinderbox, and a stick of fat wood, perfect combination. But you don't need the fat wood if you ain't got the fat wood. You can just take a regular piece of crap wood, and if you ain't got fat wood, you got crap wood. But throw it in there. Pray to baby Jesus takes a spark. Yeah, come on. And America. Oh, first try. Let's go. All right. Well, that joker's lighting up. Let me show you how this grill works. All right. It's a BattlBox swivel grill. The sucker's got so many functions. One of them is time travel. Takes me right back to my childhood. You ever cooked on a flame so small it just looked like hope? Still tastes better than the food at my cousin's wedding. It's super easy to put together, man. Got your little grate burgers, which is what we're gonna use today. And this joker for pans, but I'm gonna try to toast some buns on it. And this daddy right here, well, that's for pots. I'm gonna hang them up. What you say about that? First, let's set this bad boy up right where we want it. Yeah. Yeah, come on. I don't get much easier than that. Raise it, lower it, raise it back up, lower it, swivel that joker right out the way. Put it right back to cook. You ain't done yet. All right. Oh, my outdoor kitchen's a mess. But every good kitchen. Oh yeah. Let's put that sucker right on it. Now stay, Billy. Stay. Oh, she's a beaut. Look at him. He thinks he's about to get a burger. Okay. He smells it. Get on her. Ah. That's my food, dog. You ever cook on a grill so badass it doubles as a lie detector for vegans? Woo. Oh, that looks good. I fired this thing up with spit, twigs, and regret. Tastes like my uncle's parole hearing, but with more freedom. All right, from my family to yours, happy Memorial Day. Try out this grill. If you own one and haven't used it, you're missing out. If you don't own one, you haven't used it and you're still missing out.